Hey, I'm Nettie. Today we're going to smoke a turkey that's moist, flavorful, and perfect for any special occasion. I'll show you how to prep, season, and smoke this turkey to get that deep smoky flavor and tender, juicy meat. Okay, we're going to need a blend of spices, a half a cup of butter, and one 10 to 12 pound turkey. For our dry rub, in a small bowl, mix together 2 tablespoons of salt, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, 2 teaspoons of rosemary, a teaspoon of black pepper, 2 teaspoons of paprika, a teaspoon of garlic powder, and a teaspoon of onion powder, a teaspoon of sage, 2 teaspoons of rosemary, and 2 teaspoons of thyme. Let's give that a good mix. Next, we're going to have our turkey thawed and we're going to dry it off really well with paper towels so that our dry rub sticks to it. And that's what's going to give us our crispy skin that we all love. And try to choose a turkey that's between 10 and 12 pounds. You don't want a turkey any larger than 12 pounds to smoke on your smoker. Grab 2 10-pound turkeys and smoke if you're going to serve a large crowd. Okay, let's take a handful of this dry rub and we're going to put it inside the bird in the cavity. That's going to flavor the meat on the inside also. Now we're going to take the rest of our dry rub mix and mix it with our half a cup of butter. Just get right in there with your hands and mix it all up good because we're going to be using our hands to place it under the skin of the turkey breast. By placing this under the skin against the turkey breast meat is going to make that meat so juicy and flavorful. Okay, we're going to gently lift up the skin of the turkey breast. You don't want to rip the turkey skin. And we're going to place that in under there and just rub it and push it as far up in there as you can get it. Yes, this is a messy job, but I guarantee it will be well worth it. Okay, we're going to place this in the refrigerator overnight uncovered. Leaving our dry rub turkey uncovered in the refrigerator overnight will help the skin dry out. That'll result in a crispier golden brown texture when it's cooked. And you're going to plan on 30 minutes per pound to smoke your turkey. So a 12-pound turkey will take 6 to 7 hours to smoke. And we're shooting for 160 degrees. I know 165 is the safe temp, but we're shooting for 160 because we're going to gain 5 degrees when we let it rest for 30 minutes. So let's get this turkey in the fridge and see you in the morning. Okay, we're heating our smoker up to 225. And we're going to place this turkey directly on the grates. We're going to take about 30 minutes per pound, remember. We're shooting for 160 degrees. Place your thermometer in the thickest part of the breast meat. Just like that. Our turkey's ready to come off. We've reached 160 degrees in the thickest part of the breast meat. We're going to let this turkey rest for 30 minutes. That's going to lock in all the juices, and the temperature will rise a good 5 degrees during this rest period. So don't carve that turkey. I know you're going to be tempted to, but don't do it. Okay, our turkey has rested for 30 minutes. Look at that brown, crispy skin. Get the cameraman in there for a good close-up. This is the result of putting it in the refrigerator uncovered overnight, allowing the skin to dry out a bit. We're going to have a deep smoky flavor and juicy tender meat. You can get the full recipe for this smoked turkey on www.therecipebowl.com, and I'll link that down in the description below. There's step-by-step instructions, tips to make the perfect smoked turkey. There's also a recipe for smoked meatballs that you will just love, and many other recipes on our website. Check it out. Look at those juices. Get a close-up here of the juicy white breast meat that normally turns out dry. Get a good close-up of that. I can't wait to get a bite of this. I hope you enjoyed this video, and we hope to see you next week. See ya.